How to apply an NI number in UK. So your national insurance number application on eVisa. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser, search for gov.uk. So this over here and go to the first option. It's going to be their official website. So from here, you could manually find the application section, but you can also just search for it directly. So over here, you can go ahead and type in apply or national insurance number or something like this, and you can just click on that so that it brings you to that section automatically. So you have two options over here: who can apply for a national insurance number and how to apply. So before you apply for a national insurance number, you can go ahead and check if you already have one, and you can make sure you are eligible. So the first one you should choose is this: who can apply for a national insurance number. You can take a brief look at all of these over here: who can apply for a national insurance number, when you do not need a national insurance number, how to find your NI number, if you are a UK resident age 19 or under, and the rest of all of these. Now you can just go ahead and proceed to the next one, which is how to actually apply. So from here, you'll see what documents you'll need. You're going to prove your identity. And if you can't upload your photos, you can still apply online, but it will take longer. You're going to need to attend an appointment or post photocopies of your documents. You'll get an email telling you what to do after you've submitted your application. But once you're basically ready on how to apply, you can proceed to the next step, which is to basically just apply online. As of now, I cannot use this service since I am not in the UK, but if you are there, you should be able to do it without that restriction. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can apply for your NI number in UK. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.